Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Tuesday, February 21st, and we're going to take a look at 30-year bonds and what happened here in bonds today. We had just a perfect channel breakout on the 500 tick. So for the first hour or two of the trading room, we were just sitting here watching bonds inside this range. Now, initially we said there's a small tight range between 150 and 25 30-second resistance and 150 21 30-second support, and then below 21 30 seconds there is the 19 30 seconds, and ultimately if it was going to go lower, need to break through 19 30 seconds. So we broke through 21, dropped down, ran into 19, and then started to bounce back up, and then back down, then back up, then back down, and we stayed inside the range between 150 25 and 150 19, which is very tight range, at least especially for the fact that we were trading there for 3 or 4 hours. Then what ended up happening, we had a really nice breakout here. Now here's where the breakout takes place. I want you to look at your momentum leading into that breakout. You can see nice bullish momentum on the shorter time frames. Now longer time frames, we did not have really bullish momentum. The longer time frame momentum was neutral to bearish. We ended up breaking out the first target we were looking at, or the target we were looking at, was 151 and 7 30 seconds, which was a pivot high from earlier in the night session. We got right up within one tick of that resistance and then kind of pulled back and went into consolidation. Now, when it does this, when it goes into consolidation, we have changed trend now because we have higher lows and a higher high. So all we did is pull back, put in another higher low, and then jump back up to another higher high. And we continued to climb all the way up until we ran into just a textbook perfect head and shoulders pattern with a bearish divergence. So you can see here we have weakening momentum going across the tops on the indicator line and on the histograms, and then you have your left shoulder head, right shoulder with a neckline at 151 to 16 30 seconds. And actually this is one that one of our members pointed out in the Slack chat. Always makes me happy when that happens, because that means they're learning. So I ended up breaking through the neckline and pulled her right back down. But either way, this is just a textbook channel. So watch when you have something like this happening. You can go look at what this looks like on the 30-minute price chart. When you see something like this, where you have the exact same high over a several hour period, when that is broken, watch for a very quick reaction in your direction, which is exactly what we got with bonds. And by the way, that first target as well is always significantly overvalued in the 30s, and that consolidation sets you up for a bull flag here, which we also talked about for potential re-entry, and that broke high and continued to climb. But either way, great job to everybody in the trade room that made money on that trade. It worked out exactly like it was supposed to. We talked about it all morning. If you follow me on Twitter and StockTwits, send it out on Twitter and StockTwits. So you guys should have seen it. And I also talked about first and second target being hit. So great job to everybody that took the trades. Worked out really well. Keep an eye on this type of consolidation. When you see it happening, doesn't happen all the time, but when it does, it gives you a really good opportunity. Alrighty, that's all I have for you for today. So I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.